Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talk English. I am Jack, and I am so happy to see you here today. Yes, you came back. That means you are serious about learning English, and I love that.
And I am Emma. Hi. Welcome. Oh my God, today is such a fun day because today's topic is something every single person needs in real life.
Yes. Today we are talking about how to make a phone call in English. Simple, right? But wait, do you know what to say when someone picks up the phone? Do you know how to start? How to ask something? How to end the call politely?
Most beginners, they just freeze. The phone rings, someone speaks English, and they go, Don't worry. After this video, you will know exactly what to say.
So today we have two parts. Part one is how to start a phone call and introduce yourself. And part two is how to ask, respond, and end the call politely. Full phone call, from hello to goodbye. We will cover everything.
But first, Jack, tell them.
Yes. Friends, if this channel is helpful for you, please click the like button right now. It takes only 1 second, but it helps us so much. And if you are new here, welcome to Daily Talk English. Please subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss our new videos. We upload every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 5 videos every week just for you.
5 videos. We work so hard for you guys, so please subscribe, okay? Okay, now let's go.
Okay, friends, part 1. How to start a phone call and introduce yourself in English.
Now, Jack, tell me honestly, when you were a beginner and someone called you in English, what did you do?
Oh, God. I just said, hello, and then complete silence. I didn't know what to say next. The other person was talking, and I was just, yes, okay. No idea what was happening.
That is so relatable. I think every single beginner does this. You pick up the phone, you hear English, and your brain just stops.
Exactly. So today, no more silence, no more confusion. We will teach you step by step what to say from the very first second of the call.
Okay, so friends, let's start from the very beginning. You are making a call. Your phone is in your hand. You dial the number. It is ringing. Ding, ding, ding. And then someone picks up.
Now, what do you say? Simple. You say, hello. That's it. Hello. Easy, right?
Yes. Hello is your best friend. Always start with hello. Now, after hello, you introduce yourself. You say who you are.
For example, hello, this is Jack. Simple. Hello, this is your name. Let's say it together slowly. Hello, this is Jack.
Beautiful. Now, friends, please notice we say this is Jack, not I am Jack on the phone. In phone calls, we say this is, okay? This is Emma. This is Jack. This is your name.
Very important point, Emma. I remember when I said, I am Jack on the phone, and the other person was confused. So always, this is your name on the phone.
Yes. Now let's practice. Friends, repeat after me slowly. Hello, this is Emma. Say it. Hello, this is Emma.
Good. Now, let's make it a little longer. After your name, you can say where you are calling from. For example, hello, this is Jack. I'm calling from Daily Talk English.
Ooh, very professional. Let's break it down. Hello, this is Jack. I am calling from Daily Talk English. Each part is simple, yes?
Yes. Hello, that's your greeting. This is Jack. That's your name. I am calling from, that tells where you are from. Very easy, very simple.
Now, friends, sometimes you are not calling for business. Sometimes you are calling a friend, a classmate, a neighbor. Then you can say, "Hello, is this Emma?"
Yes, when you're not sure if the right person picked up, you ask, "Is this Emma?" Or, "Am I speaking to Emma?" Both are correct.
Let's say it slowly. Am I speaking to Emma? Am I speaking to Emma? Beautiful phrase. Very polite, very natural.
And if the person says yes, this is Emma, then you say, "Oh, hi Emma, this is Jack." Now you are connected. Now the real conversation starts.
Okay, friends, now let's do a small example. A very simple phone call beginning. Listen carefully.
Hello?
Hello, is this Jack?
Yes, this is Jack. Who is this, please?
Hi, Jack. This is Emma from DailyTalk English.
Oh, hi Emma. How are you?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks.
See how simple that was? Hello, is this Jack? Yes, this is Jack. Who is this? This is Emma. Hi, how are you? I am good. Simple, simple, simple.
Exactly. No big words, no difficult sentences, just simple, natural English. This is what Daily Talk English is all about.
Now, friends, let's learn a few more important phrases for starting a call. These are very common. You will hear them every day.
First phrase, can I speak to someone, please? For example, can I speak to the manager, please? Or, can I speak to Emma, please?
Can I speak to Emma, please? Say it slowly with me. Can I speak to Emma, please? Beautiful.
Second phrase, I'm calling about something. For example, I'm calling about my order. Or, I'm calling about tomorrow's meeting.
I am calling about my order. I am calling about my order. This phrase tells the other person why you are calling. Very helpful.
Third phrase, is this a good time to talk? This is a very polite phrase. You are asking, hey, are you free right now? Can we talk?
Is this a good time to talk? Is this a good time to talk? Oh, I love this phrase. It shows you are respectful of the other person's time.
Yes, very polite, very professional. English speakers love when you say this.
Okay, friends, let's do a quick summary of part 1. In part 1, we learned how to say hello on a phone call, how to introduce yourself, how to ask if you are speaking to the right person, and 3 very useful phrases for starting a call.
Amazing! You are doing so well. Keep going. Part 2 is coming, and part 2 is super fun because we will do a full, real-life phone call example from beginning to end.
Yes, don't go anywhere. Let's jump into part 2 right now.
Welcome to part 2, friends. Now you know how to start a call. Amazing! But what about the middle of the call? What do you say when you need help? What do you say when you don't understand something?
Yes, this is where most beginners get scared. The call has started, you said hello, you introduced yourself, and now the other person starts talking fast and you go,
Haha, yes. So, in part 2, we will teach you how to ask for something politely, how to say you don't understand, how to ask someone to repeat, and how to end the call nicely.
So many useful things. Let's start.
Okay, first, how to ask for something on a phone call. Very simple phrases.
Phrase 1. Could you please help me? Could you please help me? Could you please help me? This is a very polite way to ask for help.
Phrase 2, I would like to know about something. For example, I would like to know about your delivery time. Or, I would like to know about the price.
I would like to
know about your delivery time. I would like to know about your delivery time. Beautiful. Very formal, very polite.
Hey, and phrase 3, can you tell me about something, please? Can you tell me about the schedule, please? Or can you tell me about the fees, please?
Can you tell me about the fees, please? Can you tell me about the fees, please? Simple and clear.
Now, friends, very important. Sometimes on a phone call, you don't understand what the other person said. Maybe they spoke too fast. Maybe there was noise. What do?
Don't panic. Don't just say yes, yes, okay when you have no idea what they said. Use these phrases.
Phrase 1, sorry, could you please repeat that? This is the most important phrase for beginners. Sorry, could you please repeat that?
Sorry, could you please repeat that? Sorry, could you please repeat that? Say it with me. Beautiful.
Phrase 2, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that means I didn't hear or understand that. Very natural English.
I am sorry, I didn't catch that. I am sorry, I didn't catch that. I love this phrase. It sounds so natural.
Phrase 3. Could you please speak a little slowly? This one is my favorite. When someone is speaking very fast, just say, could you please speak a little slowly?
Could you please speak a little slowly? Could you please speak a little slowly? Don't be shy. Native speakers say this too. It is totally okay to ask.
100%. No one will judge you. Everyone appreciates when you ask politely.
Now, friends, after you ask your question, after you get your answer, it is time to end the call. And ending a call politely is also very important.
Yes, don't just say okay, bye and hang up. That is a little rude sometimes. Let's learn how to end a call properly.
Phrase 1. Thank you so much for your help. Always thank the person. Always. Thank you so much for your help. Say it.
Yes, gratitude is everything. English speakers really appreciate when you say thank you.
Phrase 2. I will call you back if I have more questions. This is very professional. It shows you are organized and polite.
I will call you back if I have more questions. I will call you back if I have more questions. Beautiful.
Phrase 3. Have a great day. Simple, sweet, perfect ending. Have a great day.
And sometimes you can say have a wonderful day or have a nice day. All of these are perfect for ending a phone call.
And finally, goodbye or bye-bye or talk to you soon. All great ways to say goodbye on a phone call.
Okay friends, now let's do a full real-life phone call from beginning to end using everything we learned today. Listen carefully. This is a phone call to a shop.
Hello, thank you for calling Freshmart. This is Emma speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Jack. I'm calling about my order.
Sure, Jack. Could you please tell me your order number?
Yes, my order number is 1234.
Thank you. Let me check that for you. One moment, please.
Sure, thank you.
Okay, Jack. I can see your order. It will be delivered tomorrow between 2 and 4 p.m. Sorry, could you please repeat that? I didn't catch the time.
Of course, tomorrow, between 2 and 4 p.m.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that is all. Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome, Jack. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See that? That was a complete real-life phone call, and every single sentence was simple and easy. No big words, no difficult grammar.
Yes, and did you notice Jack didn't understand the time and he said, "Sorry, could you please repeat that?" And Emma repeated it. No problem at all. That is perfectly normal.
Exactly. Don't be scared to ask for repetition. It is completely okay. Native speakers do it too.
Okay, friends, let's do a final summary of everything we learned today.
In part 1, we learned, hello, this is your name. I'm calling from, is this a good time to talk? Can I speak to someone, please? And I'm calling about something.
And in part 2, we learned, could you please help me? I would like to know about. Sorry, could you please repeat that? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you please speak a little slowly? Thank you so much for your help. And have a great day.
So many useful phrases, and all of them are simple. All of them are easy. All of them you can use tomorrow in real life.
Yes, practice these phrases at home. Say them out loud. Repeat them again and again. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel.
And friends, if you want to practice more, watch this video again. Pause it. Repeat the phrases out loud. Practice with a friend. That is the best way to learn.
Yes, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments below. We read every single comment and we reply.
We really do. Your comments make us so happy. So please comment. Tell us, which phrase was your favorite today?
Mine was, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. It sounds so natural and confident.
Ha! Mine was, could you please speak a little slowly? Because I really needed that as a beginner.
Friends, thank you so much for watching today's video. You are amazing. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English every single day.
And don't forget, new videos every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday right here on Daily Talk English. So subscribe, press the bell icon, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep speaking. You are doing great.
Goodbye, friends. See you tomorrow. Take care.